Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock candy. First, gather your essential supplies for this sweet science experiment. You'll need a few common kitchen items and some sugar. This project is a fun way to observe crystal growth firsthand, perfect for all ages. We'll cover everything from preparing the solution to harvesting your delicious crystals. Get ready to create some beautiful, edible gems right in your own home. To begin, you will need 2 cups of water and 4 cups of granulated sugar. Make sure you have a clean glass jar, a saucepan, and a wooden skewer or string. A clothespin or clip will be helpful to hold your skewer in place. If you want to add some flair, grab some food coloring and a few drops of your favorite flavor extract. These simple items are all you need to start your crystal growing adventure. Now, let's prepare the supersaturated sugar solution. Heat 2 cups of water in a saucepan until it reaches a rolling boil. Slowly add 4 cups of granulated sugar, stirring continuously until every crystal is completely dissolved. The solution should appear clear and transparent. Once dissolved, remove the pan from the heat and allow the solution to cool for about 15 to 20 minutes before the next step. This cooling is crucial for crystal formation. Carefully pour the cooled sugar solution into your clean glass jar. Next, dip a wooden skewer into the solution, then roll it in granulated sugar to create seed crystals. Suspend this sugared skewer in the jar using a clothespin, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom or sides. Place the jar in a quiet spot and wait patiently for 5 to 7 days. You'll soon see beautiful, edible rock candy crystals growing right before your eyes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.